In this episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $1.45 every minute just by watching Google Ads. Now, this video is going to be comprised of 5 parts. Part number 1 is an overview of the process step by step. Part 2 is why this might not work for you. Part number 3 is how the content creator is actually making money with this method. Part number 4 is my results. And part number 5 are better ways potentially that you could make money. So if you've watched this video and you've wondered if you can actually make $1.45 every minute, watch this entire video because I'm going to lay it out for you step by step. So let's go ahead and get into part number 1, which is an overview of what the original content creator says we can do to make $1.45 every minute. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website, which I will reveal later on in this video. You're going to create a free account. You are simply going to click on the little boxes that you see on the screen. You're going to watch the ads, and then you're magically going to make money. It's as simple as that. Let's jump into part number 2, why this may or may not work for you. Reason number 1 is you can only watch 5 ads per day. After you watch the 5 ads that pop up on your screen, you're essentially locked out. There's nothing else that you can do other than promote this website to other people that will allow you to make money. Reason number 2 is the payout threshold is at least $70. Now, why is this a problem? This is a problem because this website is banking on you not being able to come to this website 30 plus days in a row in order to withdraw. And so essentially, you'll be able to do this for a day or two, maybe a week, but it's very unlikely that you'll be able to come back to this website every single day and watch these videos. Also, there have been reports of people claiming that the closer you get to the payout threshold, the less that the ads will actually pay. And the reason why this is important essentially is because we're only doing this to make money to withdraw for our PayPal or Amazon gift cards. And if we can't do that, then this website is pointless. The third reason why this won't work is if you actually look at each one of the ads that you can watch, each one of the ads is at least 35 seconds. But it's going to take you much more than 35 seconds to do everything required. When you go to this website, you have to click on the ad will pop up, you've got to watch it for 30 or 35 seconds, and then you've got to close all of the additional pop-ups that happen, and then you've got to go back and refresh the screen. Oftentimes, this is going to take you much longer than 35 seconds, which the original content creator conveniently leaves out. Let's jump into part number 3, which is how the original content creator actually makes money with this type of YouTube video. And believe me, he is not watching ads to make money. His time is much more valuable than that, and quite honestly, your time is too. Now, there's a few ways that he's making money. The most prominent way is that he includes his referral link to this website so that he can get paid. Now, again, if you look at this website, you get paid $10 or so for referring people. And if you have a large following like the original content creator does, he is going to make a very good amount of money simply just putting a link in the description of his video. Now, essentially, he can do the same thing for all of his platforms, whether it's on Instagram, a Facebook group, whatever he has, he can just place a link there and make money, and then come back and tell you that he is making money with this website, which isn't quite a lie as much as it is a partial truth. He is not making money watching ads, he's making money referring you and me and whomever else clicks on the link and starts. That's how essentially he is making his money. In addition, he is making the same video 1 or 2 times every couple of months. Now, I remember a few months ago, I made essentially the exact same I Tried It video with the exact same website. So I know that content creators that are in the make money online niche that are telling you about different side hustles, they're essentially making the same video every single month. Now, he's not the only one. And on YouTube, there's kind of a weird thing that if something is working, you should just keep doing it over and over again. But I feel like this is kind of deceitful. And so whenever he makes the same video over and over again, he's going to get a new crop of viewers, and then he essentially will tell people that you can go to this website, click on the link, and make money. In fact, you'll get $10 just for signing up. He finds a whole new crop of YouTube viewers that are desperate to make ends meet because the cost of things are going up. And just like that, he makes a bunch of money for this website. Now, I want to reiterate that he is not the only one. There are tons of content creators that are doing this. I personally would not be able to sleep at night if this was my content strategy. Now, if you take a closer look at the website, you'll notice that anybody that refers someone to this website, they make at least $1 per sign up. And so if you have 100,000 followers on your YouTube account and you get just 10% of those people to sign up, that is a pretty good amount of money. So let's go ahead and get into part 4, which are my results. Now, what's really interesting about this is that I do have mixed results from this website. Did I make money? Yes, I made $2.49. However, it took me much longer than 1 minute to make $2.49 for the reasons that I outlined a little bit earlier. I have to go to the website, I have to click and watch the ad for 35 seconds, and then close up all the other ads and pop-ups. I've got to verify that I actually watched it for 35 seconds, refresh the screen, and then watch the next video. This will take you much longer than a minute. It took me closer to 10 minutes to make the $2.49. Now, you might be happy that this actually works, but in the long run, you are wasting so much time that you could be investing in other things. Whether that's creating a YouTube short or a TikTok video or even an Instagram reel, the time that you're wasting, the 10 minutes in fact, could be invested in something much more profitable. For example, I'll make a TikTok video which will automatically be repurposed to a YouTube short, and that one video has the opportunity to pay me hundreds of dollars every single day because I've got systems in place that will work for me even when I'm not working. So the question remains, does this work? And the answer is, I don't think so. I don't think it works because it's a waste of your time. I believe that your time is much more valuable than sitting and watching YouTube ads. I think your time could be better used on the things that I'm going to mention in the next section. So does it work? Yes, I guess. But should you do it? Absolutely not. So let's go ahead and jump into part 5, which are better ways to make money. As I mentioned, the time that it took me to watch these 5 ads to make $2.49, I could essentially make TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, you name it. I could make it and have a much more profitable venture. Let me outline my case here. For example, I just uploaded a TikTok video, and that TikTok video is about a minute and a half long. It took me a total of 10 minutes to make that video. That one TikTok video could pay me by the TikTok Creativity Fund. So anytime you have 1,000 or more views on a video when you're a part of the fund, you get paid. Now the CPMs aren't great, but that's okay. I can also get paid by selling my own digital product. Right now I have a live workshop where people can join and learn how they can make money online step by step. If you want to join that workshop, go ahead and click the first link below. It's just $5 one time. I can also make money with affiliate marketing. Now there are certain tools that people need in order to have a successful online business. I can recommend those products and services, and when people click on those links and make a purchase, I can earn a commission. So that one TikTok video that took me about 10 minutes to make could essentially help me make hundreds of dollars every single day, and it only took me 10 minutes, where someone else might think that their time is better used and better spent watching these ads and literally making pennies. In addition to creating content, as I mentioned, you could actually start ethical affiliate marketing. Ethical affiliate marketing is simply recommending other people's products and services. Now, what I would recommend that you do is find a product or service that you've recently purchased and start creating content around that product or service. The reason being is there are thousands, potentially even millions of people that have questions about that product or service, and you can create content to help solve those problems or questions that they're asking. For example, most recently, the iPhone 16 or 17 just came out. There are literally millions of people that want to know about the iPhone. They want to compare this iPhone to last model. They want to know about the storage size. They want to know about the screen size and the megapixels of the camera. And those are all much better ways to make money. And what you're going to do is you could simply recommend the iPhone. You could recommend different accessories for the iPhone. You could even recommend something like this iPhone holder that people might need in order to create content. That is a much better way, and again, you can make much more than $2.49 every single day by simply creating content. Now, if you're just getting started, I recommend that you focus on one product to get started with so that you create kind of like a wheel and spoke around a product. If someone was searching iPhone 16 and they see that you've got 5 videos up, they're going to think that you're the expert in the space, and they're going to click on your links. So definitely check out Ethical Affiliate Marketing. Now, I did put together a 5-hour course. It's the last video that I just uploaded. Go ahead and check that out if you want to learn step by step how to start affiliate marketing. Another great way to make money are creating and selling digital products. As I mentioned earlier, creating TikTok videos will lead people to a live workshop. that I'm selling for just $5. Now, the cool thing is I can create this workshop, I can do and fulfill it live, and people from around the world can click on my link and watch this workshop and participate. They get value out of it, and quite honestly, I make money helping people solve a problem. Now, it doesn't just have to be a workshop. It can be an online course, it could be group coaching, it could be one-on-one coaching, it could be planners, templates, ebooks, it could be literally anything that is delivered and sold online. Comment down below if you have questions about digital products, and I'll create a dedicated video that outlines and explains digital products step by step. But digital products are a great way to make money online because it's your product. You keep 100% of the proceeds. They can be created in a weekend, and you have a tangible asset that you can sell again and again and again. The other cool part with digital products is you can embed your affiliate links inside that digital product and make even more money. The third way that you can make money is by having monthly reoccurring memberships. The cool thing about reoccurring monthly memberships is that you help people solve a problem again and again and again. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are in the cooking or baking niche and you want to help people with different cooking and baking recipes. You could simply create a reoccurring monthly membership where you charge as little as $5 per month. And every single month, you provide a new recipe for cooking and baking. In addition to that recipe, you make a video showing people step by step how to create the recipe that you've given, and you are adding additional value. Now, all of this is done by creating content and then driving content to affiliate marketing, digital products, or even memberships. Let me know if you have questions about any one of these. I'd be happy to create a dedicated video just for you, but this is a much better way to make money online than trying to make $1.49 a minute or $2.49. Now that you know that this won't work for you, watch this video next as I show you step by step how to start an online business.